pop your rear glass. Open up the liftgate from the glass area. So you're going to have 3 of these, which is a T25 Torx 25. And the 2 nuts in the center of the hinges. Remove those. And then I'm going to take the 2 exterior, the other T25s off. And just take this wire and take it out of that tab. And you'll see that the whole thing wants to lift up. So we're going to shut the glass. Just be careful, make sure this doesn't pop and fall down. Now we can disconnect the electrical connector. There's a little tab. Pull that. And then this will be free to come down. Now with a 10mm socket, we're going to disconnect 4 mounting nuts. And we should just be able to pop this out. So now I'm going to get ready to mount the new 3rd brake light. These are just package mounts. You can toss those off. Line up the holes and slide it right in there. Over. Hand start all your mounting nuts. I'm going to use a hand ratchet to tighten this. I don't want to over tighten and crack plastic. I'm going to start from the center, snug it up, and then I will go back and give it one last tightening. So take your 3rd brake light, bring it up to the lift gate. I'm going to plug this back in. There you go. Make sure you put that wire underneath that little clip. Same with this one. Now we're going to guide those 2 studs into the hinge area. There we go. Falls into place. There we go. Make sure it's pushed all the way down. Mount the 2 nuts on the middle of these brackets. Just hand tight. Then we're going to put these 3 Torx. Make sure you do it by hand to start it. Now I'm going to do it by hand. Before I tighten anything, final tighten, I'm going to close it, make sure that it looks like it seats properly. There is 0 crackling of plastic. Looks good. Raise it up, and then I'm going to just snug it by hand, and I'm going to go from the center out. Yeah, just got a nice little 1/4 turn out of everything.